Hi Kalki.
Hi.
Hi, you're looking very gorgeous tonight.
Thank you.
Who are you wearing today?
I'm wearing Gucci.
And tell us about the Grazia Awards tonight.
I'm looking forward to it. I think Grazia has been always one of the fun magazines that I've been involved with. Always go for the fashion and yeah, I'm really happy to be here.
Okay, talk about your personal.
For you? Fashion is about personality and trying to translate today's world and the changes that are happening through fashion. I think.
And who do you find the stylish, I mean the fashionable person in Bollywood?
Bollywood, I think Neha Dhupia dresses very well. I think that Kangana has really cool, like taste. Sonam, yeah. The boys all dress the same. They all just wear black suits. Not the same. But except for Ranveer Singh. He's like
Kalki, congratulations. Your Margarita of the Straw has again won an award. So,
yes,
how
the
excited are you?
national award. Yeah, I'm super excited, super happy that the film got that kind of recognition, that I have got that, and I'm just really, really happy with the new project.
कह सकते हैं इस अवार्ड के बाद बहुत प्रेशर बढ़ जाएगा आप पर.
प्रेशर बढ़ जाएगा?
जी.
प्रेशर क्यों बढ़ जाएगा ना? अच्छा होगा ना? अवार्ड के बाद शायद
लोगों की एक्सपेक्टेशंस आपसे बढ़ जाएंगी.
रिस्पेक्ट भी हो जाएगा.
Kalki, one question.
Come on.
Kalki, recently मतलब आपको और फरहान को लेकर काफी न्यूज आ रहे थे.
No comment.
आप किस तरह रिएक्ट करती हैं इन खबरों
No
पर?
comment.
Thanks, Abhishek.
Thank you.
Well, I think it's going to be a great fun event this evening, and I'm looking forward to it. पिछले साल के बारे में मैंने बहुत पढ़ा था और I missed being here the last year. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm sure it'll be exciting. I'm wearing Veranda. It's a very, very comfortable, one of my favorite colors, and it's a beautiful jumpsuit. So I'm very happy in this outfit right now. These days I'm very busy with preparing for Force 2, my next schedule of Force 2, and I'm really looking forward to it because I'll be resuming shoot after a while. So we're going to shoot some very cool action sequences, and it's going to be very exciting. नहीं रिसेंटली नहीं, बहुत टाइम हो गया उसको. कल आपने सवाल पूछ लिया तो मैंने जवाब दे दिया. बट हाँ, मैं काफ़ी पहले मैं ठीक हूँ, बिल्कुल ठीक, फिट एंड फाइन. नहीं बाबा, रिसेंटली आप सवाल पूछते हो, फिर मैं जवाब देती हूँ कि मैं समटाइम इन द फ्यूचर के बारे में सोच रही हूँ, तो वो हेडलाइन बन जाता है कि मैं कर रही हूँ. तो अब ये थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन दूर करना पड़ेगा. बट आई कैन थिंक अबाउट इट क्योंकि मैंने फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग स्टडी किया है. तो आई मे बी समटाइम इन द फ्यूचर, बट नथिंग प्लान्ड एज ऑफ येट. थैंक यू.
Hi. Very well.
Thank you. I'm wearing Del Pozo. I'm wearing Del Pozo. Yeah.
How many words are you going to tell me tonight?
I don't know, maybe like one.
So according to you, who is the most fashionable person in Bollywood?
Who is the most fashionable person in Bollywood besides my dad? I love the way Rekha dresses, Jaya Bachchan, Nutan. I mean, all the actresses who've inspired me. Meena Kumari. I think they're incredible.
Summers are here. What should be your perfect ideal summer day?
A cotton oh, a summer day, like a summer day, not a like a cotton sari. It's the easiest thing.
What is the sign like for
Not sign anything. Contrary to popular belief. Nothing. Just not doing. I'm just finishing my endorsement obligations and stuff like that. I'm not doing anything. Yeah. I'm very excited. क्योंकि उनका डेब्यू हुआ नहीं है ना, तो डायरेक्टर और प्रोड्यूसर ने इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए हैं. थैंक यू. No, we're going to do it later.
I'm wearing a zinnia and should I start from number one? Me. So I think there are a lot of fashionable people in Bollywood. People, they all know how to carry themselves very well. And but I think the most quirkiest sense of fashion I think Ranveer has. And at the same time, he can be very dapper. So I think he's got a very eclectic taste in fashion. Amongst the females, obviously Sonam, there's Kangana, Deepika, Anushka, all of them. Alia. Battle को बिटोरा. अभी तक मेरी मुलाकात नहीं हुई. I'm meeting Sonam. I'll let you know after that. अच्छा. मैं आपसे सुन रहा हूँ पहली बार. बट आपकी सजेशन मैं करण तक पहुँचा दूँगा. So I think you see the Dharma family is a very big family, and they are very loving and accommodating people. And I'm fortunate to have found some good friends in my past 2 years of working. Initially with AKFCN family, and now with Dharma and family. They really know how to take care of you. So I really like them all. I think they're wonderful people, and it's good to be around. I'm sorry. सिद्धार्थ थोड़ा जल रहा है कि मेरी रेंज ज़्यादा है. I think it's very kind of the people, and for me, age is just a number. All women are lovely.
Done.
कि मैंने अपनी जगह बना ली. जगह बनाना या ये तो मुझे नहीं पता, बट अल्लाह का शुक्र है काम मिल रहा है, कर रहे हैं ना. मैं हैप्पी. थैंक यू.
Hello. Hi, I'm good. How are you? Thank you. I'm wearing Nikhil Thampi. To me in my life, I think fashion is something that should be extremely personal. It should reflect your personality, and I think that's what I try to do. I try and find clothes that fit my personality, and yeah. In Bollywood, I would say male Ranveer Singh and female Sonam Kapoor. By the pool or at a beach. What would I like to wear? Shorts and a gunji.
Done, thank you.
Thank you.
Can you get a quick picture for Grazia?
Yeah.
Yes.
Hi, how are you? हर बार नहीं, कभी कभी दिखता है. आई एम वॉकिंग द रैम्प टुनाइट फॉर साहिल अनेजा, तो उसके लिए मैंने ये किया है. या आई थिंक डिपेंड्स ऑन द ओकेजन. इनफैक्ट कल मैं जब होस्ट कर रहा था जीमा वॉच, तो मैंने ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया था. इट वॉज अ मोर मासी शो. आई थिंक दिस इज ग्रासिया, सो आई थिंक वी कैन पुश द एनवेलप इन दैट. I'm wearing Sahil Aneja. I'll be walking the ramp for him. Yeah. That's it. Okay, thank you so much.
My sleeve looking good or no? Oh no, 1 minute. No, 1 minute, 1 minute. Now that you're there, might as well take advantage. Might as well do it. 1 minute. मेरे लिए अवार्ड बहुत स्पेशल है क्योंकि मेरी बहुत ही करीबी दोस्त और स्टाइलिस्ट और जिन्होंने मुझे फ़ैशन के बारे में सब कुछ सिखाया है, सोहाया, उनको आज अवार्ड मिल रहा है। उनकी आउटफिट मैंने पहनी हुई है। सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड। आई एम हियर टू सपोर्ट वन ऑफ माई क्लोजेस्ट फ्रेंड्स इन द फैशन इंडस्ट्री बिकॉज शी इज़ बिकम अ ब्रांड न्यू फैशन डिज़ाइनर एंड वन एन अवार्ड टुनाइट। आई थिंक फैशन और स्टाइल में बहुत अंतर है। यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट इनहेरेंटली आप स्टाइलिश हैं, और फैशन तो बदलते रहता है, बट यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट यू स्टाइलिश ऑल द टाइम। समर में मैं यही टिप्स देना चाहूँगी कि जस्ट ट्राई एंड कीप इट एज एफर्टलेस एज पॉसिबल, एंड मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली जितना आप यू नो कम सच धज के निकलेंगे उतना अच्छा लगेगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच। वो बहुत बार मैंने जवाब दिया।
Hi. Okay, this is audio. Good evening. Thank you. I love this mandatory line on the red carpet from everyone. No, we come dressed up to only hear this. Trust me. Tell me. Urvashi Joneja for tonight. Oh yes, yeah. It's been 3 years, 3 films, 2 releases, 1 still pending. Finished, almost finished 1, halfway through the 5th one, so it's quite good so far. Yeah, I have totally have. Like when I started my career, I was almost having like 7 releases in a year. I practically had no time to attend events to even know how I'm supposed to present myself. So all credit goes to the one angel that came into my life called Devki, my stylist, a year and a half back or so. We started our journey together, and rest is history. In Bollywood, I think all the leading ladies, especially I shouldn't call them seniors because they are almost like around the same age. But all of them, I mean, the ones who are there are doing a pretty good job, be it Deepika, Priyanka, or Sonam, or even Kangana for that matter. All of them are doing a fabulous job. You all have a good and a bad day, some off days, some good days, but overall everyone is doing good. Oh, superb! It's mind blowing. It's gonna be the most toughest and the best out of me so far. He's a rock star. I mean, it's a pleasure working with him. He's seriously a rock star. So I'm also working. The second schedule start होने वाला है. We'll have a pretty intense scenes का session for the next schedule. So looking forward to it.
यहाँ पे ओके भाई।
And you're looking gorgeous. gorgeous as ever. Tell me why you went.
Actually today, 99% of the time I style myself, but today the Grazia people styled me. In a young designer, Tanya Pinucha, which I think is really relevant. I think the Grazia Awards is fashionable, trendy, cool. It's not a typical red carpet. It's all about icons and really being crazy. I think it's a lot more relaxed, a lot more fun. And so I'm doing like this, it's almost like a jacket, dress, wrap kind of look. It's very different from what I normally do. But it's cool.
Summer is knocked up. Tell us what's your ideal summer day.
White, my ideal summer day look. A lot of white, a lot of softness. I still love my denims, but it's got to be with a white top. Just pretty white denims, just keep it cool, comfortable.
Since we are Fashion Awards, tell us who do you find more fashionable in Bollywood?
Oh, in Bollywood, who do I find fashionable? I mean, it's a little predictable now for all of us to say Sonam and Kangana because, you know, it's the fact that they are fashionable. So for a change, I'll just say me.
And in men?
In men, oh my god, the boys are so dapper nowadays. They're all so well turned out. I mean, I've always, Mr. Bachchan has the best style, and Sam always looks dapper. I think all the boys are getting more and more stylish. It's hard to pick one. You know, Ayushmann is trendy in his own way. Fuad is handsome in his own way. Everybody has a style.
And I'm very happy to be here. They've been trying to get me for so many years, and this is the first time that the dates matched. So I'm very happy to be here and to give away one award for the evening. I have no idea. I'm just going to go along with the flow and listen to what the Grazia people tell me. Among the young actors, I think there's such a big toss-up between Sonam Kapoor and Fawad Khan, who I know is going to be there to give away an award. Thank you.